Hey guys, today I'm doing a bike check on my Kink Barrier. Okay, so start up with the front. Pair of ODI long neck grips. Grippy, they're nice. Shorter than all my other grips. See that like right here. Oh god. Oh fuck that. Alright, let me stand up. Alright, so anyways, we have a pair of 100% chromoly handlebars. Just saying I'm using the catalog because I still don't know much about this bike. Alright, okay, so anyways, we have a Mission Talent 50 millimeter stem. Okay, so we'll move down. Headset, and there's also Mission. So then we come to the forks, 100% chromoly. By the way, almost everything on this bike is stock because I haven't had it for that long. Okay, so we got a pair of dual stunner tires with a tan wall. Let me see what kind of hub it is. I know that they're Alienation rims. Pretty soon I will be running Eastern in the back. Not too sure about the hub. But alright, so let's stand up and ow. Okay, so we got a white animal pivotal seat with gray strip in the middle. It's really nice. I just got it not too long ago. So then we have a pair of stolen Thermalite pedals and PC pedals in black. We come down, we have Mission Transit 3-piece cranks. I like them a lot. But profiles are going to be even better. Okay, so we come down here. We have a Kink Decimal 20, I don't even know this book. Kink Decimal 25 tooth sprocket. We have a KMC chain. And we have another duo stunner tire rack here. An Alienation back rim. These are sealed hubs, by the way. And I'm not really sure if that, let me turn on, I'm not really sure if it's a hub guard in there or not. But yeah, so we have 2 steel pegs that came with the bike. And yeah, bring it into the light. And there it is. Alright, so definitely like this video because I know this one was better than my other one. I was like, Mr. Transit. Anyways, I'll be having some tricks up later. Probably like a mini edit, hanging out with my friend. So yeah, see ya.